Hello, friends. Today I want to talk about Gong and how tea can make one a better person. So, I've been practicing tea since early 2000s, and I've been noticing that it kind of makes me a better person, that I feel more content, I feel less aggravated, I feel less envious, I feel more balanced, and I've been asking myself, how does tea do it? And these changes, they're like very subtle. It's not like, you know, they're not triggered by some particular events. It's just s- gradual transformations that I go through. So I couldn't really find, like a satisfying answer to it. I mean, there are many answers to it. One, of course, as I'm getting, older, and as I'm getting older, of course, I'm getting wiser, naturally. Uh, Also, it's a practice for me that is connected as well to meditation, to mindfulness as a whole. And as I'm trying to be more mindful, as I'm trying to understand my own emotional emotions and where they coming from, what are the roots of these emotions, it helps me to become a better person as I'm trying to observe myself and to see my actions, not to just blindly act, but to understand where these emotions and actions come from. That helps me to contain some of the emotions that I'm n- are not really desirable for me. So, of course, all of this. Also, Gong Fu Cha is a deeply aesthetical practice, and I believe that when we surround ourselves with beauty, that makes us a little bit kinder and a little bit more compassionate and a little bit more tolerant. And of course, because tea brings into my life like-minded people, and our surrounding affects us a lot. I think that also helps us to become better and to feel more content, and to be surrounded with people uh, that we don't want that we want to look up to, so to say. So that helps a lot. But yesterday I learned about something else, the scientific grounds to the statement that tea can make one a better person. So apparently, there is an area in every person's brain, in the cortex, that is called insula. And insula is responsible for recognition of tastes and aromas and in bodily sensations. So when we drink tea mindfully and we pay attention uh, to taste and aroma, and to the progression of taste as we do in Gong Fu Cha, because this is what Gong Fu Cha for the most part is mindful preparation of tea and mindful drinking of tea. So when we drink tea mindfully, we stimulate insula. And insula is also responsible for recognition of in bodily uh, sensations and emotions. So when we feel joy or pain or sorrow, um, it is also insula that is responsible for it. So by drinking tea, we activate the part of the brain that is responsible for emotional maturity. And insula is responsible for recognition of these emotions, not only in yourself, but also in others around us. And this is what empathy is. So when we drink tea, we basically stimulate the empathy muscle, so to say, and that allows us in a subtle ways to better understand other people, to be a little bit more compassionate to others, and to feel a little bit more empathy towards them. So I want to say, drink more tea, drink more tea mindfully, pay attention to the taste, to the aroma, to the aftertaste, to the mouthfeel, to the sensations in you, to how your body reacts to tea, and pay attention to other people. Be more compassionate, be more empathetic, and let's build a better world together. Cheers.